Have you seen these object talking videos on social media and you are wondering how people are making them? These videos are trending now and it's making their creators so much money. Just look at this Instagram page. They have posted just 13 reels and they have already gained more than 50,000 followers. So Abakoma, as I show you this video, you can use this idea to create any type of trending videos. So you can see how these videos are trending on social media. The time in which we live, nobody can complain anymore that they don't want to show their face on social media because you can just use AI and start making money on the social media platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best niches that you can start, which is the health niche. And I'm going to walk you through step by step everything you need to know in order for you to start a channel like this. So I'll encourage you to make sure you watch the video step by step and follow me step by step. Don't just watch the video. Make sure you watch and you take action. If we've not met before and this is your first time seeing me, my name is Delphine. I'm the author of the book, The Money Starts. You can go ahead and check it out on Amazon and I'm going to put a link in the description box down below. If you are starting on your financial journey as a complete beginner and you don't know where to start, I will encourage you to go ahead and get this book. It's going to be a blessing. In order for us to create our AI object talking video, I'm going to paste a prompt here that I've written. So in this prompt, if you look here, I've specified that I want held talking objects. So if you are using it for something else, maybe you are doing it for medication, you are doing it for any other subject, you can go ahead and change this and put the subject right here. So I'm going to click enter and guess what will happen? This prompt that I've written, AI is going to give me 10 different ideas. ChatGPT has gone ahead and it has given us all these different 10 ideas right here. So I'll go ahead and take number 1 because I like that one. So you can do it, let's say for weight loss, anything that you can think of. Overcomers now is just an idea to think of. And then you give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to create that prompt for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste this second prompt. This prompt now has given us different scenes and the different things that they are going to be saying. So the different things that our object is going to be saying. If you look at the prompt, I made it 90 seconds because I don't want it to be too long. I want something that is very short. And these are the different scenes that our prompt has given us. Now that we have all our scenes, I have this next prompt that I'm just going to paste here. This next prompt is going to help generate image prompts and video prompts for each of these objects that we have right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click enter. So for each scene, ChatGPT has gone ahead and has created the image prompt. So these ones are the first ones are the image prompts and the second one are the video prompts. So we now have everything to generate our images and our videos. So you can go ahead now and copy all the prompts one at a time. You start with the images. So let's go ahead just so that I can show you how to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and go to number 9 and I'll copy this one that is watermelon. So now that I've copied this prompt, so you can go to Google now and just go ahead and type Google Gemini. This is it. Click on it like this and then you are going to create an account. You are going to use Google Gemini to create these images completely for free. So these are the ones I've already created. I've created this for banana and I've created this for apple. You see here oranges, you see here strawberry. This one is blueberry. So let's go ahead and create watermelon. So I'm going to come here. You make sure that right here you have Pro right here. You make sure you click on Pro and then you come here where it says describe the image and I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompt right here. One thing that I want you to also take note of is that when you are creating it, make sure that you have your 9:16. But if you follow the prompt that I've given, then we are going to have it exactly like this because I already have it in the prompt. So you are going to just click enter and then you generate it. Let's go ahead and copy another prompt. So this last one here, number 10, is saying sweet potatoes. Let's go ahead and just copy the sweet potatoes to just like this. So now our watermelon is done. So let's go ahead and paste our sweet potatoes just like that. And then we are also going to create our sweet potatoes. And mind you, this Pro is creating it with Nano Banana. This means that you can use any other platform to create your images. Now with AI, you can use anything to create your images. You can use Leonardo. You can use any platform that you can. But here, as I'm creating it here on Google Gemini, is completely free. This is the potatoes that we have created. So now after you've created all your images, the next thing is for you to go ahead and download them. The next thing now is to download our images. You just come here to this three dot here and then you see download image. You go ahead and download it like this. And I'm also going to come here to the potatoes and I'm going to download it. And I'll go ahead and download all my other images that I have created. So I'm just creating a folder and I'm putting all my images in one folder. The next app that we are going to be using to convert these images to our videos is completely free. So you can go ahead and click here on Greg. Just go ahead and search for Greg. And then you are going to, I'll put all the links that I'm talking about in the description to make things easier for you. When you create an account, you just use your Gmail, create your account, and then it's going to bring you here. You see where you have this imagine here. The one thing that I want you to do is that go ahead and click here on image. Now you come here to the bottom, you can just change the aspect ratio here. We want the long form videos, so you put the aspect ratio like that. And now what we are going to do is that go ahead and take your image that you want to turn into a video and then just drop it right here. So now that our image is here, what I'm going to do is that I'll go back now to ChatGPT. So you see how we had image prompts and then we had the video prompt. So now for the same exact thing, which is watermelon, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy the video prompt. So let's go back to Greg and I'm going to just paste the prompt like this. Guess what? I'll just click enter. So all these things we are doing overcomers, you see that we are not really using any mental energy. We are just copying prompts and pasting and it's creating these things for us. Now our video is here. And then I'm just going to click here where it says make video and it's going to convert it into a video. Just to remind us that this is something that you can start even if you are too busy. You come back from work every day, you can create something like this. And overcomer, you just start intentionally posting videos on the social media platform. You are not just creating any kind of content, it's intentional. And when you are intentional about what you want to achieve, when you are creating this video, you are not just making them because maybe you want to sell a specific digital product. And if you don't know how to start a digital product business, I have a complete course and I'm going to put it down below. That is going to help you how to start like an affiliate marketing business. And now these things, you are just using them to create content on the social media platform. And when you start driving traffic, now you direct that traffic to your product. Your affiliate marketing products. Overcomers, it is just so amazing how we can make money on the online space now. You can take this idea and build a huge brand. So let's go ahead and listen to the video.
Hello, I am Watermelon, and I support hydration and refresh your body naturally with my high water content, and I am ideal in the afternoon or after activity.
Look at how real it looks. It looks so seamless. And we just did this with AI, just with clicks. So let's go ahead and also get the video for our potatoes. I'm just going to click like this, and then you do the same for all your videos. So let's look for potatoes right here. So we are now going to take our potatoes and then do the same thing, put it here. And I'm just going to paste it there and allow Greg AI to do its work. So it's just going to take some few seconds and it's going to be ready. So let's see what it did.
Hello, I am Sweet Potato, and I support balanced energy and nutrient intake with complex carbohydrates and vitamins.
Can you imagine? So go ahead and download it exactly the same way. So you go ahead and you just click here now and then you download it. Go ahead and make all your images and all your videos and then you download them just like this. So the next thing is to put everything together. So I'm going to put everything that I'm talking about in the description box down below. And so now I'm going to use CapCut. You can use any editing platform to put everything together. So when you come to CapCut, it's going to show you here. You can click here on video and then you start new video just like this. So now when you come here on CapCut, click on this place that says ratio and you can change to whatever ratio you want. So we want like this type of short form video. So you click there like this. You go ahead and bring all your images now inside CapCut. You just carry them and bring them inside CapCut like this. So now you just go ahead and drag everything and drop to the timeline like this. So now that you've done this, you can click in between here. You see where it says add transition. You can come here, take any transition that you want. For example, you take it and put like this, just so that it flows naturally, but don't make it too much. So if you want to add caption so that when you are talking, it's playing, you can just click on it. You come here where it says caption. You click here, you see where it says auto caption. You click on auto caption and then you click on generate. It's going to generate all the captions for the video, and then you are going to see something like this. When it's playing,
And balanced energy fiber.
you can see how it's writing everything here. So if you want to move this, you can just click on it, move it to any position that you want. If you come here under text, there are different type of text. You can adjust it and change it to make it however you want it to look like. That is it. You've gone ahead and you've created these talking videos. Now you can use this idea to build your channel, grow that channel, and the more you create, the more you post on social media, the more your channel is going to grow. And as it grows, you don't just end there. You are not just creating content. You are going to make your products. So you can go ahead, you are going to get your affiliate product, you are going to get your digital product, you are going to get your own products. As you grow your traffic, what will you do? You drive your traffic to your products. So go ahead and check down below. You are going to see everything that I've talked about in this video, including the affiliate marketing course that you can start as a complete beginner, and you can learn how to start making money on the social media platform. So if you are struggling with a niche to start, you can go ahead and watch this other video that I've already walked you through step by step how to start a profitable niche on the social media platform. So let me know that you watched this video up to the end. You can go ahead and put in the comment section that I'm making money with talking AI. I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all so much.